Kani kadeka Pati CTV.
Hope Dance Training Center hau ni ubnai kala Plie ya kachaka ai juhi kai Shad Hariti Academy kabadan hau umso sun hajan Rikasi Press Shillong nakabenta bansai ya kasap kapong chungki samla hapo kajala. Kani Hope Dance Training Center kadai kanhon chungki Nongshad kabla pau hakajala. Hakaba palat lai phongut kihap kibaret ki samla kanthai bat shendang kilawan bansha kai Shad nakabenta kitu ki bapang basitam bat ki basngai ki klin. Lahikai ki nado nyo shtang mistep adu khandai baji mistep kadba kapor nado kharwi baji mistep adu janmir lahikai ya kurukam Shad na recep ni western dance kum ka Shad tango salsa popping bolly hop holy hop b-boy breakbone bat ki wede nang ta hang niru lahikai kumno banang ban kren hindi knang baki samla khasi ki banang ban Shad kan sotho ban kren hindi anda kila poi shaki jing yakob harithor kinoi kai ban Shad akani ka santa kilong uba kitbok thaba Michael Sim Yong kibla hikai ki shenrang pat ka dapi shisha kharbani kabla hikai ki kinthai
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hani er ki kokti kuta 7 8 kita kuta 7 8 1 2 then vision kuta 3 4 kumya shadye 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop. 1. No. 1, 2. Look. Stop. 1, 2. Sorry. No. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. What? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Copy yang 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, stop.
You gotta go and get rid of it, but I'm stay. No, I try, but I don't do too well with holidays. I don't wanna run out of time, so I call the referee. 'Cause I just made one more shot, have forgiveness. I know you know that I make those mistakes when you once or twice. I once or twice, and maybe it comes from the hurt time. So let me redeem on myself tonight. 'Cause I just need one more shot and take chances. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh no, is it too late now to say sorry? Girl, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Such a baby. Is it too late now to say sorry?
We're looking for best dancer of Shillong. I can't say best dancer, We are searching for best dancer here. Like I am here, Fisher and Jack, with three choreographers of this institute. Like we are here to give love. We are here to spread the love for dance, and yeah, we are looking forward for like best who have interest in dance. They can come here. They can join with us, and we will promise like we will give whatever we have.
Ngawan manikai whole dance training center kawai kalongman kampin tubit shushu iki kena ngalawan manikai whole dance training center nado kalai kulit September but teten hado mentah ngalai hikai kumalai po sa po mas
kungki ai kijing Shad plan bathai
ngashit ningkong tena hikai kendam nama bakadega 40 jonga ka slide jonga aku akan kampin tubit shushu iki kena khasi juni especially tang bakindale shawa kindong million bande different kind of style like condemn hikai hip hop then jazz I love ban hikai kiru different kind of style nang bakan nongsok iki lada kilit ban participate shawa
Kani Gadega Batisi TV.